This is the real test environment. The Intel NUC file i3-MYHE board connected with the logic web camera. From the screen of the Intel NUC, we can see WinRiver Linux 10.18 is running on it. This is another Intel NUC 7 i5DNK as the test target. WinRiver Linux 10.19 is running on this test target. Let's start the real-time object detection application for the web camera on the Intel NUC. The number of multiple threads and the size of the frame buffer can be set. We will see the video stream captured from the web camera. On the test target board, let's start the BSP graphic test. The gears are displayed on the test target monitor. Also, the gears are captured and detected by the web camera. The model of fast RNN Inception v2 with customized dataset was retrained by TensorFlow. The graphic test can be identified as pass. The test framework can take actions next.